What's up, guys? So that video I made about the doctor thing, I was just being silly. Want to make you guys laugh, but I wasn't kidding about the All-Star blood, baby. Hey. Woo! Factory, baby. You already know. If you get into an auto accident, give us a call. 805-816-2680. We can help you out with your whole claim. We're in 7 different states and a bunch of locations. Hit us up. We'll help you out. We'll consult you. Towing services, we'll send them right there and then. Rental reservations, we got them for you. Help with the deductible, done. You don't have the money, you don't have insurance, but you need financing, we got you too. All-Star Auto Body. Hey, look at that. We bleed All-Star, baby. Woo! Non-stop action.